Hello, this is Ashley with Rolling with the Ofields. Today I've got another Paula for you. This is a clearance wig. It is Amelia. Hopefully you can see that. And the color is SF1228, which is honey. So let's take a look. All right. She was in there kind of upside down, but let's see, I'm losing pieces. All right. All right, so she's kind of cute, pretty short. I'm not used to this short, so we'll try it. You can't see the wefting like you can in others, so that's always good. All right, so the cap, pretty much just the basic cap. You've got the top part, and then just the standard width on the nape here. So we are going to try her on and see how I look with super short hair. Are we ready? Hello. All right. Definitely need to take the cap in a little bit, but okay, she's kind of cute. A little short, maybe for me, than my normal, but doesn't look too bad, I don't think. Oh, silly tag. Okay. I'm not gonna mess with the part that much, but I do like how she kind of stays out of your face. That's always nice. So I'll turn around. You got the front, and then the side here, the back, and of course you can see the tag right there, but it is white on brown, so. And then you've got this side. So overall she's pretty cute. Oh yeah. Cool. Wow. And aside from this, of course, now it's falling, now that I said it stays out of your face. But yeah. And I definitely need to take the cap in a little bit because it is slightly big, but overall, y'all let me know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe. I've got a couple more for you here, and then, you know, I'm waiting on another sale for more, so I'm trying to find, I don't know, quite a few that I like so I can mix them up so they last longer. So anyways, I will see y'all later. Bye.